Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable and disable voice control for your GoPro Hero 11 Mini. And to do this you will need to get the GoPro Quick app and set up the camera inside. I shown you in my previous video on how to do it. Click on Control your GoPro after you're done. Then select the wrench button in the top right corner of the screen, and as a third option there will be voice control enable. Make sure to enable it like that to control your camera with voice commands. You can also change a voice control language if you prefer. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.